friends, welcome to Brave Solution Times. For today's video, we are going to see exercise 2.16 sum. So let's get into the video. Sixth sum. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor of 340 and 412, 867 and 255, 10,224 and 9,648, and similarly they have given 8,490 and 120. So we have to find this four subdivision. So இதில் வந்துட்டு நம்ம யூக்ளிட்ஸ் டிவிஷன் அல்காரிதம் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி ஹையஸ்ட் காமன் டிவைஸ் ஃபேக்டரை வந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஓகேவா, ஸோ இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரியும், யூக்ளிட் டிவிஷன் அல்காரிதம் படி A is equal to BQ plus R, right? So 0 less than equal to R, which is less than determinant of B. So this is what we already know, right? So நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா, இந்த யூக்ளிடியன் டிவிஷன் லெம்மாவை ரிப்பீட்டேஷன் பண்ணிட்டே வர போறோம் until we get a remainder 0. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம ரிமைண்டர் இங்கே 0 கிடச்சிருச்சுன்னா நம்ம அந்த ஃபேக்டர் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா ஹையஸ்ட் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா, ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்டிவிஷன் இஸ் 340 and 412. ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து ஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். இதில் we have to take the bigger number to be A. So we will take A is equal to 412 and B is equal to 340. So we have to find the quotient and the remainder. Okay, so let's substitute here. Here there's an A, so in the place of A we'll substitute 412, which is equal to, here there's a B, so the value of B is 340, and we have to find the value of Q and plus R, right? So now let's divide. We have to divide 412, right? So 412, which is divided by 340. So let's take a 1. So we'll get 340 and our answer will be 2, and the balance will be here, it will be 11 and 3. So the answer will be 7. So here we got a remainder as 72 and the quotient as 1, right? So let's substitute here. Here our quotient is 1 and the remainder is 72. So this is not a factor, right? So here the 1 is not a factor because the remainder is not 0. So here the remainder 72 is not equal to 0, right? So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம், மறுபடியும் நம்ம இந்த 340 இருக்குல்ல, ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம இப்போ ஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்னா செகண்ட் நம்ம இப்போ செகண்ட் இது பண்ண போகிறோம். 340 which is equal to 72, அதாவது நமக்கு ரிமைண்டர் கிடச்சில்ல, ஸோ அதை வச்சு நம்ம இப்போ டிவைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். அண்ட் ஹியர் நம்ம இப்போ கோஷியன்ட் அண்ட் ரிமைண்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, நவ் லெட்ஸ் டிவைட். 340 will be inside and 72 will be outside. Now 72 4s are, we'll get 288, in which we'll get a remainder as, here there will be a 10, so 2, and here it will be a 13, so the answer will be 5. So our remainder is 52 and our quotient is 4, right? So let's substitute 72, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 52. So the remainder is 52 is not equal to 0, right? So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம், நம்ம மறுபடியும் இதை டிவைட் பண்ணணும். So this time it will be 72, so 72 which is equal to, our remainder is 52, so 52, and now here we have to find the quotient and the remainder, right? So now let's divide this two. We'll get 72 inside and 52 outside, so ones are 52 and balance will be 20. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So remainder is 20 and the quotient is 1. So again the remainder is not equal to 0, so the remainder 20 is not equal to 0, so we have to continue this process. And then the next thing is, here we got 52, right? So now let's substitute 52 here and the remainder is 20, and we have to find the quotient plus we have to find the remainder. So now let's divide. 52 will go inside and we have to divide 52 by 20. So 22s are, we'll get an answer 40, right? So here there will be, if we subtract this, here we'll get a 2 and here it will be a 1. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So our remainder is 12 and the quotient is 2. So again the remainder is not equal to 0. So 12 is not equal to 0. Then what you have to do? Again you have to repeat the same process. First you have to take this 20 here, so 20 which is equal to, and you have to take the remainder 12 here, and we have to find the quotient plus remainder according to Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so now let's divide. Here 20 will be inside and 12 will be outside. Now let's we'll get 1s are 12, right? So we'll get an answer 8 here. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So here we'll get the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 8, and again the remainder 8 is not equal to 0, right? Then we have to continue this step. And then for the next step, here we have to take this 12 is equal to, and the remainder is 8. We have to find the quotient plus we have to find the remainder. So let's divide. Here 12 will be inside and 8 will be outside. 1s are 8 and we'll get an answer 4. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So let's substitute here. Remainder is 4 and quotient is 1. So again the remainder 4 is not equal to 0, right? And the next step it will be, we have to take this 8 which is equal to, the remainder is 4, so 4, and now we have to find the quotient and remainder. So let's divide. We have to put 8 inside and we have to divide that by 4. So 4 2s are, we'll get an answer 8, and therefore we got the remainder as 0. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So let's substitute here. Remainder is 0 and then the quotient is 2. Okay, so therefore we got the remainder 0. So we can write it as, the remainder is 0 and therefore HCF of 340 and 412 is nothing but our quotient, the factor is 4. So this is our answer. Okay, so this is how you find the highest common factor, which is HCF. Now let's get into our second subdivision. Our second subdivision is 867 and 255. So எப்பவும் போல நம்மளோட biggest number a எடுத்துக்கணும். So in the place of a we are going to substitute 867 which is equal to, and the next number will be b, so which is 255, and we have to find the quotient plus remainder, right? So let's see that. First you have to divide these two. 867 will be inside and 255 will be outside, and then 255 3s are 765. Now let's subtract this. 7 minus 5 will get a 2, 6 minus 6 a 0, and 8 minus 7 will get an answer 1. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient, right? So let's substitute that. Our remainder is 102 and our quotient is 3. Okay, so here you can see that the remainder 102 is not equal to 0. So we have to make another step, which we have to start it with 255. So which is this. So 255 it will be equal to, we have to put the remainder here 102, and now we have to find the quotient plus we have to find the remainder. Now let's divide. Here 255 will be inside and 102 will be outside this time. So 102 2s are, we'll get 204, and let's subtract 5 minus 4, we'll get an answer 1, and here there will be a 5. 2 minus 2 will get an answer 0. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. Let's substitute that here. Quotient is 2 and the remainder is 51. Okay, so we are substituting this according to our Euclidean division lemma, and then here you can see that the remainder is 51, which is not equal to 0. So we have to put another step here. This time we have to put 1 or 2 here in the place of A, and in the place of B you will put the remainder 51, and you have to find the quotient plus you have to find the remainder. So let's divide these two. 1 or 2 will be inside since it's the biggest element here, and then 51 will be here. Okay, and now you can see that 51 2s are 1 or 2, which we will get an answer 0 here. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient, and we have found the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 2, right? So therefore we have found that the remainder is 0, and therefore the HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Okay, so now let's get into our third subdivision. Third subdivision, 10224 and 9648. So now we have to find the highest common factor of this thing. First you have to take the bigger number to be or A. So this is our bigger number. So in the place of A you have to substitute 10224, which is equal to, and the B will be 9648, and we have to find the quotient plus we have to find the remainder. Okay, now let's divide. Here we have to divide this by this. So 10224 is divided by 9648. Okay, so let's put 1. So 9648 once are, we'll get 9648, and while we subtract this, we'll get here there will be a 14. So 14 minus 8, we'll get an answer 6, and then here there will be 11 here, and here there will be also 11. So 4 minus 11 we'll get 7, and 6 minus 11 we'll get an answer 5. So therefore we got an answer 576. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. Okay, so let's substitute the quotient, which is 1, and the remainder is 576. So here you can see that the remainder 576 is not equal to 0, right? So then what you have to do, you have to make another step. We have to repeat this step until we get the remainder as 0, right? So now what you have to do, you have to take this as the factor A, so 9648, and then equal to, we have to take the B as the remainder, which is 576. So 576, and we have to find the quotient and the remainder. And now here we have to put 9648 inside and 576 outside, and now let's substitute 1. So 576 one side will get 576, right? Now let's subtract. 4 will become 14 and 6 will become 5, and then again we'll get 9 will become 8 and 5 will become 15. So 6 minus 14 we'll get an answer 8 here, and then 7 minus 15 we'll get an answer 8, and then 8 minus 5 will get an answer 3 here, right? So now here there is another 8, right, which is excess. Now I'm substituting here. So 576, 6 we'll get an answer 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we'll get an answer like this. And now let's subtract this. 8 minus 6 we'll get 2, and 8 minus 5 it's 3, and 8 minus 4 we'll get an answer 4. So therefore we got an answer 432, which is our remainder, and this is our quotient. Now let's substitute that in the place of remainder. The remainder is 342 and the quotient is 16, and again the remainder 432 is not equal to 0. So therefore you have to substitute another step. So for the next step, the 576 will be our A, so 576, and our B will be our remainder 432, and now we have to find the quotient plus remainder. Now let's divide these two. Here 576 will be inside, and we have to divide that by 432, right? So let's substitute 432 once we'll get 432. Now let's subtract this. 6 minus 2 will get an answer 4, and 7 minus 3 will get an answer 4, and then 5 minus 4 will get an answer 1. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So let's substitute that. Our remainder is 144 and our quotient is 1. Now again you can see that the remainder 144 is not equal to 0, right? So then we have to put an additional step here, which will take this 432 as A and equal to the remainder 144 as B, so 144. And now we have to again find the quotient and our remainder. Let's divide 144, so our 432 will be inside, so 432, and we have to divide 432 by 144, right? So 144 3s are, we'll get an answer 432. So therefore our remainder is 0 here. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. Now let's substitute here. So remainder is 0 and the quotient is 3, right? So therefore the remainder is 0. So we got an answer 0 here. Therefore our HCF of 10224 and 9648 is nothing but our 144. Okay, so now let's get into our fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision, 84, 90 and 120. ஸோ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது கரெக்டாக. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம 2 நம்பரில் தான் ஹையஸ்ட் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். பட் இங்கே வந்து 3 நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதை எப்படி நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ண போகிறோம்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 நம்பர்ஸை முதல்ல நம்ம ஹையஸ்ட் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் அதுக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். அண்ட் அந்த காமன் ஃபேக்டரையும் இதையும் நம்ம லாஸ்ட்டாக கம்பேர் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ண வேண்டியது 84 and 90. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 84 and 90ல் பிக் நம்பர் என்ன, அதாவது ஹையஸ்ட் நம்பர் வந்து 90, ரைட்டா? 90, right? So we have to substitute 90 in the place of A. So 90 is equal to, and the B is nothing but our 84, and we have to find the quotient and we have to find the remainder here. Okay, so let's find it. Here there is an 84 and 90, so 90 will be inside and 84 will be outside. So 84 once are will get 84 and 90 minus 84 will get an answer 6. So therefore this is our remainder and this is our quotient, right? So our remainder is 6 and our quotient is 1. So therefore you can see that the remainder is 6, which is not equal to 0. So therefore we have to do another step, which where A will be 84 is equal to, and the B will be 6, and we have to find the quotient plus we have to find the remainder. So let's divide 84 by 6, right? So 6 once are we'll get an answer 6 here, and 8 minus 6 will get 2, and here there is a 4, so 4, and now 6 4s are 24, therefore we got an answer 0. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient, right? So our remainder is 0 and our quotient is 14. So now therefore the remainder is 0, and the HCF of 84 and 90, right? நம்ம முதல்ல அந்த 2 நம்பர்ஸ் தானே எடுத்தோம். So 84 and 90 is என்னது நம்ம 6, ரைட்? ஸோ 6, 84 and 90 வந்துட்டு 6ன்னு சொல்லி கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். ஸோ இதோட HDF என்ன 6. ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ எதெல்லாம் கம்பேர் பண்ண போகிறோம்னா 6 and 120 கம்பேர் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் let 6 and 120 use Euclid division lemma until we get a remainder 0. ஸோ அதாவது என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, நம்ம இப்போ 6 and 120 வந்து சால்வ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ இதில் என்ன பிக் நம்பர்னா 120, ரைட்? ஸோ அதுதான் நம்ம இப்போ ஏல சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண போகிறோம். So this is our Euclidean division drama. இங்கே வந்து big number வந்து 120. So 120 is equal to, and in the place of b we are going to substitute 6. Now we have to find the quotient and we have to find the remainder. So let's divide. Here we'll get 120 and here it's 66, right? So 6 into 20 we'll get an answer 120. So therefore we'll get an answer 0. So therefore our remainder is 0 and the quotient is 20. So let's substitute here. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 20 here, right? So therefore the remainder is 0 and the HCF of 6 and 120 is, so for 6 and 120 we got an answer 6, right? So the HCF of 6 and 120 is 6. Therefore you can say that HCF of 84, 90 and 120 is 6. So this is the answer. This is how we will find the highest common factor, HCF. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.